Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang ganap sa Collective, Virgo Collective. Para po sa mga new subscriber, hello po, thank you so much. Stay connected po tayo. Sa mga returning subscriber, hello po. What's up? Kamusta kayo dyan? So, tingnan natin. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. King of Air upright. Ano ang kinat off dito, Virgo? Or ikaw ang kinat off? Or, let's see, tingnan natin. Three of Pentacles and the Justice card. Wheel of Fortune. For some of you, Virgo, with the Eight of Pentacles in the reverse. And the collaboration card with the Justice card. May mga hindi to for the majority, this is for a specific Virgo. Okay, na going through something at work. Okay. Merong ika-cut off dito. Okay. Merong aalisin. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko. But, kung sino man yung mga aalisin, redirection lang yon. Ibig sabihin, kapag ka tinanggal ka or hindi ka fit, hindi ka belong dun sa workplace or sa environment or community, just see the brighter side of the situation. Kasi everything happens for a reason. Dito ang justice Three of Earth. So baka it's not meant to be na nandun ka sa community na yon or sa career na yon. Hindi ko lang po sinong kinakausap ko. Maaaring i-cover ko or sa community mo or taong connected sa'yo, nasa palibot mo. May mga tatanggalin dito or may magsadyang tatanggalin ng sarili sa career na hindi sila fit. I mean, feeling nila hindi fit. Okay. What else? Wheel of Fortune. Naghahanap ba ka ng magandang basta. There is something in there. And tsaka second scenario yung nakikita ko dito, Virgo, when it comes to relationship or partnership or siblings or friends, family, merong isang gustong hindi nalagyan ng effort, hindi na mag-effort sa sitwasyon. Okay. When it comes to collaboration with the Three of Earth, very wise. King of Air is analytical, solving problem, mind games. Mong masasabi na mind games din. Magaling sa mind games kung gagamitin niya yung mind games side niya. Okay. Kaya niya mag-manipulate ng people. Okay. Or, you know what I mean. Pero at the back of this person's mind, walang pupuntahan. Hindi rin, ayaw niyang i-work out. Okay. Kasi once ang King of Swords magdesisyon na hindi na paganahin or hindi na i-work out or hindi na bigyan ng pansin. Okay, ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi importante sa kanya at alam niyang hindi no longer serving the situation. Parang dice, lalaruin ka na lang niya sa kamay niya. Kind of energy, okay. Kasi baka nakikita na or baka ikaw to, baka nakikita mo na there is no growth. in the situation. So, ikaw na mismo ang magbibigay ng justice sa sitwasyon. Ikaw na mismo, ang action mo mismo is ipapakita mo kung how it works, how it's done. Kumbaga, ganun kind of energy. Sige. Bibigay ko sa inyo kung anong gusto nyo or ibibigay ko sa iyo kung anong gusto mo. Kind of, you know what I mean. Hindi ko alam kung family department, relationship department, or career. Either way. What else? Six of water. The world card. And two of earth. Seven of air, as I said. And the five of air. Someone here with the ace of earth, ace of pentacles. New opportunity, new beginning. But at the same time, merong nostalgia eh. Merong something from the past na natapos. Ending card. The world card is ending in order to begin new one. Okay. Two of earth, nagja-juggle. Sana naman hindi maapektuhan ang future. The moment na nag-deal ka dito sa past, yung mga action mo or yung mga ginawa mo, yung sinabi ko kanina na para bagang dice na pwede mong laruin sa, pero it's not gonna be that long. Kailangan mong i-end. Okay. Especially mga person from the past na nilalaro mo lang sa palad mo. Kailangan mong i-cut off like totally. Actually, ang King of Swords talagang i-cut off niya eh. Pero nandun yung masasabi mo ding Tree of Earth, baka kailangan pa yung type na, di ba, nangolekta ka ng mga basura. Okay, tapos may nakita ka pang maybe in the future, mapakinabangan ko, kaya itatabi mo. 'Di ba? Doon lang siya, nakatabi lang. In case of emergency na kailangan mo, alam mo kung saan mo nilagay. Kind of energy, ganun ba? So, with the two of earth, ijinajuggle mo, or merong someone dito, maybe ikaw or the person that you're connecting with. Bakit ang sabi yun? Kasi may seven of swords eh. Very tricky, trickster. Seven of air and the five of air. Okay, pero despite ng mga ganyang strategy with the justice card, karma will be hit hard. Okay. It's about to go down. Lahat ng mga ginawa mo sa tao or mga intention na hindi pure, na itinabi mo sila para kailangan mo na for your own benefits, it's not gonna work. Okay. Para ka lang maghuhukay ng sarili mong ano, you know what I mean. Magkakaroon lang dito ng overthinking, self-doubt. Five of air is conflict, chaos. You know what I mean? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng taong nakapaikot sa tao na to kaya niyang paikutin. Okay. Hindi perke feeling niya sa sarili niya is matalino siya is kaya niyang paikutin lahat. No, it's not gonna work kasi justice is here. Okay. Dito ang justice, very fishy kanina. Papunta pa lang ako dito. Hindi lalabas ang justice card kung walang. Ngayon lumabas ang Seven of Swords, pinatunayan lang kung ano yung nasa instinct ko na talagang possibility na mangyari. So, if ever man Virgo, either way, if this is your situation or maybe the person that you are connecting with situation, kailangan niyang ibahin kung ano yung strategy niya when it comes to dealing with people or dealing with someone. Okay. Kasi sa ganong sistema niya, hindi mai-standby ang person sa loop eh. Kung sino man yung mga gusto niyang i-partner. Okay. Na alam naman niya sa sarili niyang hindi niya kayang i-work out. Nakikita niya na kasi ang King of Air is very analytical. Kumbaga sa chess, checkmate. Okay, so pero ginagamit niya in a very wrong way with the Seven of Swords. Two of Pentacles. Juggling. Okay, so merong opportunity dito. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, akala niya siguro makaka-cheat siya dito, no? But, anyway, we'll see. Two of Pentacles to the Three of Pentacles to the Seven of Swords. Maling galawan to. Nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Nasa lapag ang justice eh. Nag-oobserba lang ang justice card kung anong ginagawa niya. Okay. So, let's see. So, hindi ko alam kung sino kinakausap ko dito. Okay, either ikaw, Virgo, or the person that you are connecting with. Kung ikaw ang inagrabyado dito, then this is the person's energy. Manipulator. Gusto niyang stay on the loop ka lang. Gets mo? But for some of you with the world card, merong gising dito na naaamoy kung ano ang mga galawan nitong King of Swords. So, para dun sa mga gising, congratulations. Para po sa mga tulog, pay attention. Okay. So, tingnan natin what else. Conflict at saka chaos ang labas. Messenger of water. Page of fire. Okay. Together with the Queen of Fire. So, merong good news dito, Virgo, regarding sa, what else? Ace of Earth, regarding sa opportunity, Virgo, and love. Oh my God. Together with the Five of Fire. Five of Fire and the Five of Swords. Five of Wands and the Five of Swords. Ang Five of Swords is confrontation, pangayan. Okay. Five of Fire is chaos. Okay, pero this is a good card kaya yung image niya is very peaceful. When it comes to love, Virgo, merong magandang good news dito. Okay. New opportunity when it comes to love. Okay. So, kung sino man tong scenario yung nasa taas, well, I don't know. I think it's a different story, Virgo. Pero merong isang scenario dito na with the Queen of Fire, Ace of Earth, at saka Love card, together with the Five of Fire, someone is fighting for their own feelings. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw, nilalabanan mo ang nararamdaman mo or the person that you're connecting with or will be connecting with. Maaaring nakilala mo na or hindi mo pa nakikilala or person from the past. For some of you na gusto pang makipag-deal sa past, okay. Pero merong new person dito with the Ace of Pentacles, new opportunity, love or money, money or love, I don't know, something in that line. I think with the Queen of Fire, you are going to get both. Stay optimistic, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Pero hindi ganun kadali kasi meron kang mga, with the Five of Fire, ang gulo ng isip. Merong magulo ang isip dito, skeptical, based on experience, wala nang. Kasi meron tayong Page of Fire. So, ang Page of Fire is Knight of Wands. Ay, Page of Wands. Okay, sorry. Messenger of Water is Knight of Cups. Okay. Meron ditong hopeless romantic Virgo na mag-a-approach sa'yo, very passionate. Nakikita ka as new beginning with the Ace of Pentacles, new opportunity when it comes to love. This person is in love or maybe this person is, hindi ko alam. Basta meron ka ditong, or maybe ikaw to, in love ka. Hindi ko alam kung sa sarili mo or what. Or in love ka sa opportunity na matatanggap mo or natanggap mo. Career, love, or family. Five of Fire, it's gonna be kalaban mo sarili mo dito. Okay. Yun yung sinasabi, know thyself. Kailangan mong alamin. Kaya lang malalim na yung word na yun. Okay. Kumbaga example ka lang, know thyself. Ibig sabihin, alamin mo kung anong gusto mo talaga. Alamin mo kung mag-fit sa'yo. Mag-vision mo ba yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon na yan or sa person na yan. Sa opportunity na yan or sa kung ano man ang gusto mo. Pero love and opportunity of abundance is here. Okay. Lumabas ang Wheel of Fortune kanina. So, nasa sayo na lang yan kung paano mo i-discern, Virgo. Pero kung sino man yung mga taong nag-agrabyado sa'yo or may mga balak na paikutin ka, justice will be served. Okay, hayaan mo na ang si universe or si God or angels, guardian angels, kung sino man, mga ancestor mo, ang gumalaw para sa'yo. Okay. Love is there, opportunity when it comes to career is there. Meron kang matatanggap na message regarding sa increase or promotion or there is something there. Okay. Level up na sinasabi pero you need to fix yourself, know thyself. Kailangan mong alamin ang sarili mo kung or maybe there is some competition around you with the five of fire. Merong gusto makipag-compete sa'yo when it comes to finances, when it comes to love or something in general in your life, Virgo. Merong competition dito. Okay. And I think mag-respond ka in a very in a very generous way. Okay. Pero nandun yung fire. Okay, so a little bit of mix, yung perfect spices, yung perfect na lasa. Perfect combination para ma-defeat yung um, mga person na gusto kang ilagay sa competition, which is ang Queen of Wands, wala siyang problema sa competition. Just name it. Yun ang energy ng Queen of Wands, name it. Pero ang Queen of Wands is depende sa approach or depende sa kung medyo fierce ka na makikipag-challenge ka sa akin and then I'll give it to you. Pero kung makipag-kompetensya ka sa akin in a very loving way, then I will do the same. Okay, you know what I mean, Virgo? So, yun ang senaryo na nakukuha ko na isang senaryo and pangalawang senaryo is yun nga, ikaw, sarili mo. Sarili mo lang to, dapat alamin mo kung anong gusto mo when it comes to this communication or level up na sinasabi or opportunity when it comes to love and career. Meron ka ditong accelerate. Narinig ko acceleration, level up, promotion, uh, increase. Okay. So, let's see. Everybody notice you, Virgo, or someone is noticing you. With the Three of Pentacles is being here. Three of Pentacles is all about collaboration and for some of you, meron gusto mag-manipulate ng sitwasyon dito. Hindi ko alam kung saang department mo yan, baka trabaho or baka partnership. Pero I think you're wise enough with the Queen of Wands. Okay. Eight of Air, okay, stuck. Eight of Air, Five of Earth, Luck. Lumabas ang Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito with the Justice card, Five of Wands at saka Five of Air. Sa nakikita ko dito, meron lang ditong projection eh. Kung ano man yung character nila na pinapakita nila sa'yo, it's only a projection anyway. Kasi ang ganda, nakikita nila na ang flow ng abundance at saka yung flow ng love, nagre-reflect outside yung para bang ma-feel nila vibrationally, energetically, on how you operate. Okay. Very genuine. Okay. If ikaw ang Virgo na you don't give a fuck, Virgo, but you still love the person that you know what I mean, in some point magagalit ka siguro sa una pero deep inside mo mapapabuntong hinanga ka na lang na tao ka lang rin, tao lang din sila. So may nati-trigger ka lang na insecurities dito eh. Kaya ganito, Eight of Aries is stuck mentality, mindset, naka-focus on one thing, like think outside the box. Okay, kung sino man yung mga na gustong makipag-compete sa'yo or when it regards to career, love, opportunity, or ano man ang nangyayari sa daily basis na buhay mo, Virgo, kung sino man yan na gustong makipag-compete sa'yo na wala ka namang alam na nakikipag-compete na pala, then give it to them. Okay, just bring love into the situation, Virgo. See the situation in a very 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 light perspective, very good perspective, instead na maki-level up ka sa energy nila. Okay, magigalit ka, I think, with the Queen of Wands is very fiery, but at the end of the day ma-realize mo na pinakita lang nila kung ano sila, okay, or kung ano ang naglalak sa kanila. They are lacking something here, kaya nagpo-project sila sa'yo dito. Okay, so hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ko pero parang may tension akong nararamdaman. So hindi ko alam kung saang department ng buhay mo yan, Virgo. But for some of you, if someone is jealous around you or don't give them attention. Okay. Um Hindi ko alam kung paano ka magre-responde sa sitwasyon. Pero sa nakikita ko dito with the love card, alam mo pa rin kung saan ka nakalugar, ano ang boundaries mo, ano ang karapatan mo, ano ang you know what I mean? If they want to compete kasi with the Wheel of Fortune is being here eh. The Wheel of Fortune is ikaw ang gagawa ng sarili mong kapalaran sa araw-araw. Nagigets mo ako, Virgo? So with the Wheel of Fortune, either you want to be abundant or you're gonna be stuck in the mentality of, ay, nakipagkompetensya sa akin, dapat kailangan ganito, dapat kailangan ganyan, dapat kailangan, like, you know what I mean, Virgo? It doesn't even make sense, Virgo, kasi character nila yon. Parang hindi ko alam kung sasabay ka or what. Sinasabi ko kasi kanina hindi pa lumalabas tong card na 'to, which is ngayon lang pinatunayan. Ngayon, yung card na hindi pa 'to lumalabas, 'di ba? Yung kanina na sinabi ko na kung gusto man may makipag-compete sa'yo, at saka fierce yung energy, yung para bagang ano, fiery yung energy, para bagang nananadya or something, okay, fine. Nananadya ka, sige mananadya din ako kind of energy. Parang mini-mirror mo lang kung ano yung ginagawa sa'yo, kind of energy, okay. Pero nung dumating 'to, I think let them be kasi yun ang character nila. So, ang character nila says about them anyway, okay. So, kung the moment or kung ano man the way na mag-respond ka sa sitwasyon na binibigay nito sa'yo, then you say already your character, kung saan ka naka-level. So, it's up to you. With the Wheel of Fortune being here, ikaw ang gagawa ng sarili mong kapalaran everyday. If you are going to be abundant when it comes to happiness or magmumukmuk ka kasi you know what I mean, or hahayaan mo. Okay, but with the Queen of Fire is very fiery. Mahirap din kalaban ng Queen of Wands. Okay, so pay attention din. Okay, Virgo. Pay attention din sa mga matitrigger na ugali mo. Okay, kasi Justice card is being hit. Kasi sinasabi ko kanina, kung makikipagkompetensya, na parehas ang ginagawa, ang pinaka the best na respond mo dito is mirror. Copy paste lang. Kasi mas lalong hindi nila alam kung anong gagawin dito. Five of Wands, Five of Swords, talagang very chaotic. Okay, Eight of Swords, stuck mentality, mindset stuck sa thoughts na you are leveling up here, promotion after promotion, you bring love into, put your soul in your heart into the project or kung ano pa man ang ginagawa mo. With passion, okay. So, yun nakikita ko. Together with the Four of Water, there's gonna be a missed opportunity or a rejection or ignore. Virgo, I think that is the best part na ignoring energy. Ignore na lang. Okay. So, pero for some of you, sa mga Virgo na motivated high priest, you know better. Ang intuition mo is very heightened. So, alam mo kung papagpasok mo pa lang sa isang kwarto, alam mo na agad yung tension or kung may tension sa'yo or kung ano ang paningin sa'yo energetically or kung anong nararamdaman sa'yo energetically. You know better with the high priest. High priest is ang lakas ng intuition niya. Every veins, every cell, blood cells, nananalan, na nananalaytay, okay, nananalaytay sa dugo mo, Virgo. You know better. Vibrationally, ito ang kakampi mo, your gut feeling. The moment na dumikit ka sa isang tao, the moment na pumasok ka sa isang sitwasyon, the moment na alam mo na mafe-feel mo yung tension, facial expression, how, mga body language, kind of energy, Virgo. Pero ang high priestess, hindi siya umiimik. Okay, kinikip lang yan sa loob niya, pero wag ka. Okay, so, hindi mo pwede gawing tanga ang high priest. Okay. Ikaw lang ang magmumukhang tanga kung may balak kang gawing tanga ang high priest. At the end of the day, ang rest back niyan, hindi mo kayang lununin. So, Virgo, ang kapartner mo dito is yung intuition mo at saka yung gut feeling mo. Okay, so you know better, Virgo. What else? 3 last cards, Strength card, as I said. Lakas ng intuition mo dyan. Four of Water ulit, ignore. Ignore mo na lang Virgo kasi mati-trigger ang spiritual ano mo. Masisira lang ang araw mo. Okay. Kung inis ka na talaga, pumunta ka na lang sa isang corner, magbuntong hininga ka, tapos let it go and let it fly, kasi kung ano man yung gusto nilang competition na mangyari, kanalahin na lang nila. Kasi once na mag-step in ka dito, talagang lalabas ang sungay dito eh. Okay. The high priest, ang kabaligtaran yan kapag ang intuition sinunod mo lahat accurate, talagang tatamaan yung isang person eh. Pag nagsiwalat ka ng katotohanan. Okay. So, with the page of water, mag-daydream ka na lang Virgo, much better. Okay, so admirer card, may nag-a-admire sa'yo dito. Okay, may nag-a-admire ng character mo dito on how sharp you are. With the Ten of Earth, multiple source of income, Virgo. Ten of Pentacles, okay, family, Nine of Fire, set boundaries. Okay, Nine of Wands to sa traditional tarot. But with the Ten of Earth, generational wealth, multiple source of income, abundance, increase, Ace of Pentacles, at saka Ten of Pentacles, increase of something, level up, from manager to CEO, CEO to president, I don't know, something in that line. Okay, there is an improvement. Okay, accelerate na sinasabi. Okay, so let's see. So, sa mga basher at mga hater dyan, wag na lang patulan. Hindi ko alam kung sino ka nakausap ko, pero wag na lang patulan. Kasi kung the moment na binibigyan mo sila ng attention, the more silang naiisip nilang may control sila sa'yo when it comes to emotion. Ay, nag-react siya. So, ibig sabihin, kaya kong kontrolin, kaya kong paulit-ulit yung hanggang sa sadya-sadyain ka na lang. Okay, so it's up to you Virgo kung saan ka lalagay or saan ka lalapag. You're wise enough, okay, para pumatol. Okay. Ibuntong hininga mo na lang kung sagad ka na, then let it go and let it fly. Everything is temporary. Wala namang permanent eh. So, lahat ng sitwasyon hindi permanent. Lahat ay temporary. So, be wise enough kung how you respond into the situation. Kung gusto niyang makipagkompetensya, hayaan mo siya makipagkompetensya sa sarili niya. Kung ano nakikita niya dito or ano man, ay hindi ko alam Virgo if this is the person that you are connecting with or sa environment mo. But hell no. Okay. Projection is a thing. Totoo talaga. Okay. Kung meron silang mga insecurities o kung ano man ang mga sitwasyon nila sa buhay, yan naman talaga eh, minsan ipoproject sa ibang tao. Okay. Which is, dapat ang regalo dyan is malaking salamin. Uy, baka bago ka tumingin sa iba, why not? Tingnan mo muna yung sarili mo. Okay. So, let's see. What is the advice here, Virgo? So, pay attention dun sa mga trigger ng past. Okay. Expert ka na. Marami ka nang nakahalubilo dito. Okay. So, partnership, siblings, kapatid man yan, pamilya man yan, relatives man yan, kaibigan, co-worker. Di ko alam kung sino yan sa'yo. Gusto makapagkompetensya or something. Meron ding lover dito na with the Ace of Cups is Ace of Cups. May Ace of Cups nga ba? O nakita ko lang kanina. Meron Ace of Cups. May Ace of Cups nga ba? Ay, hindi. Ay, love pala yun. Love at saka Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so surrender to the divine Virgo. Okay. A new romantic cycle begins, as I said. Merong incoming. Okay. Meron kang incoming when it comes to opportunity and when it comes to love. So, be open, Virgo. Yung mga jealousy, yung mga projection, don't give them attention, Virgo. With the High Priest, Strength card, tsaka Four of Water, ignore. Four of Water is ignoring, rejection. With the Strength card, ang lakas ng High Priest mo dito eh. Ibig sabihin, lakas ng intuition mo. Ang intuition mo sumisigaw sa'yo na, ay nakaw, wag mo na lang pansinin. Ganun. Ay nakaw, umalis ka na lang. Mapapansin mo din kasi yung universe, pumapabor eh. Pumapabor na ignorin mo. Okay. Or either may mga sitwasyon na talagang ilalayo ka. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, pay attention. A new romantic cycle begins. Ewan ko kung sino yan sa'yo. Prosperity lies ahead. Okay, so with the Ace of Pentacles. Prosperity lies ahead, Virgo. So focus more on yourself. Focus on your work, on your own. Hindi ko naman sinabi na maging bitter at saka maging selfish ka, no? Ang gusto ko lang sabihin, pay attention with the High Priest. Yung sa know thyself na sinasabi. Alam ko malalim na yun, pero as so above, so below na sinasabi. Kasi kung ano yung i-work out mo na from the inside sa'yo, mag-glow ka on the outside, magpo-project mo siya on the outside, makaka-benefit ang ibang tao when it comes to, sabihin natin, generosity mo or based on experience, ayaw mong maranasan kung anong naranasan mo, ayaw mo iparana sa kanila. So, compassion is very strong. You know what I mean, Virgo, or understanding and compassion. Lawak ng pag-intindi mo kasi alam mo yung feeling kapag ka nag-responde ka sa jealousy, pag nag-responde ka sa pinatulan mo, alam mo kung ano yung feeling. You know what I mean? Kaya ang pinaka-better respond dito is shutdown. Okay, pero hindi ko naman sinasabing manahimik ka na lang at apak-apakan ka, you know, kasi with the Queen of Wands, may boundary siya. One time lang siya magsalita pero may daan. You know what I mean, Virgo? So, bottom of the deck is balance spirituality and practicality. Okay, so pay attention na lang sa sarili mo kaysa sa mag-pay attention ka sa mga kung sino-sino. Okay, Virgo. So, Nine of Fire, wounded warrior, you've been through a lot. So, be careful na lang. I mean, ang Nine of Fire para sa akin is pay attention sa mga, alisto ka na. Okay, kasi marami ka nang pinagdaanan with the Nine of Wands, wounded warrior. Pero good card to, kaya gumagawa ka na lang ng, ang responde mo dito is in a very good way, in a very polite way. Okay. Naiinis ka na pero inaano mo pa rin. Hinihil mo pa rin yung sarili mo or itinatry mo pa rin hindi umusok ng grabe. Kasi nandito yung fire eh. Nandito yung init. Nandito yung kulo. Pero ang inaano mo dito is star. So, ang star is all about healing. Okay. So, instead na mag-project ka ng fire na lava na talagang maapoy, inaano mo na lang siya at na-transform mo sa in star card. Okay. Di ka na lang iimik dito with the high priest. High priest is hindi umiimik, pero meron siya, marami siyang alam. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Sensya ka na, Virgo, medyo na-carried away ako. So with 5, 5, 6, 2. 562 Virgo, angel message number 562. I-google mo siya, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, yeah. That's what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. And see you on the next one. Bye for now.